I'd be staring at the sky looking for some birds to fly. Just just because I just want them to be free. Not to do something because they're told, not to abide by some rules that other birds made up for them. Like you have to eat those worms. If you don't, that you'll be executed. Your wings will be taken by our governor. Your beak will be showed off to little children as a as an example, so they don't do the stuff that you did. You'll be hanged if you've been seen talking near another species of any bird. They don't have to abide by these rules. I don't want to by these rules either. I want to be free. I want to do things because I want to do them. I don't want to do things because I don't want to do them. I want to be respectful, but at the same time say fuck you to everyone I see. I want to want to I want to help old people cross the road, but also kill a lot of. What am I saying? I have a lot of hatred in me. Wanna seek love, but all I can talk is with myself. Can't talk around anybody else. Nobody else knows me because I don't let them know me. I'm afraid they might see within me. I love to eat. Everybody knows that. That's the only fact everybody knows about me, that I love to eat. I wanna fly someday far from here. I wanna live in a village where nobody knows me, but I know nobody else. But we just be respectful to each other. I wanna build a forest with my own hands. I wanna buy a secluded land and fill it with trees. I want to have a big garden and lie on the grass. I hate being alone, but I love the fact that I'm alone. I love that I'm alone. My head is not a great place to be at, but my mind's pretty great. I love my mind. I hate my brain. I love my brain. I don't know what I want, but I know the specifics that what I want. My left eye is slightly smaller than my right eye. My whole body is a big blob of green fluids. I have goosebumps every time when I'm just lying, not doing anything, not trying to sleep, not reading, not listening to anything, just lying around in a bed or in the floor. I love the fact that I can gulp. It's just a weird activity to do. Just try to gulp. It's so weird.